Look at that truck. It's all full of ice. He's trying to back up. I think he better stay there until it unfreeze. He's spinning. He's stuck. Stay there, you're gonna slide down the hill maybe. They need salt. It's right beside the skylon tower here. Alright, thanks for watching. Or maybe I'll just continue. He moved dead, but holy crap, man. I better move. He's coming down the hill. I think he's sliding. Maybe not. He's stuck there, or he can't go down, but I don't know. It's freezing rain this morning. Well, not this morning. It fallen around 12 or 1 o'clock in the night. So I think he's gonna stay there. He did move, but he might slide down the hill. Well, it's morning. It's like 7:30 in the morning. This is Murray Street. The Hilton is there. The casino is over there. And then you see the snow's melting. I'm going to the falls. Oh, the other truck made it in. Gordon made it in. Oh, I think he's stuck there. I don't know. It's gonna be quite a ride to go out, I think. Alright, well, thanks for watching. That's all I'm gonna give you for this video. It's just icy morning. Trucks are having a hard time. And there's the falls. Alright. I'll be live soon. Or it depends when you're watching this.